Welcome everyone to my channel. Good morning. And there's a live stream. Welcome everyone. As we told before, this channel is about my clan, what our clan news, what happens in it, our clan wars. As I showed you, we did an episode yesterday, and we won the war, which I was showing you yesterday. And currently, we started a new war, and it's against the iOS Gamey. Let's screw it up, and basically what I wanted to show you guys was I just wanted to show you how their bases are, and if my clan members are watching this, I want to give you strategies of how you guys can attack these bases, and who can attack whom. I'm not giving you, I'm not commanding you or anything. I'm just telling you that how you may attack and who you like according to me who can you attack. So I'll just review the bases first. So the number one base, he's a base match for mine. He has a nice base, but his base is for I can easily 3-star it with dragons because both his air defenses are outside. So I can take out one with 3 lightning spells and I can put all my dragons on the other side. So this base is pretty easy to take out, and I'm 100% sure I can 3-star this. And the second base too is a rushed Town Hall 8. He's not, I mean, he is rushed, but I mean, seriously, who would keep level 1 air defenses? He has 3 level 1 air defenses, which is really bad. So what I thought was I can take out one with 3 lightning spells, and then for the other few I can just take them out easily with dragons. So this base 2 is pretty easy for me to 3-star. So by clan members, I just want to tell you, if you're watching this, I'll be taking out number 1 and 2, and this is number 3. It can either be taken out by Om or Rahul. Any one of you can take it out. This base 2 is very easy. You can snipe either one of the air defenses with your lightning spells and put your dragons on the other one, whichever you didn't take out, and with dragons it's going to be super easy. And for the level 4 one, I honestly can't say anything because this actually a mismatch, because our number 4 was a proper Town Hall 7 with level 5 walls, and Town Hall 7 with level 5 may sound a bit rushed, but it's not, it's alright. But I know few people may think it's a bit rushed, but then our number 4's defenses are not rushed, it's pretty good. So for this person it's going to be a mismatch, and I don't think so he's going to be able to take it out. And for this base, I'll tell you, I think you can easily go for the giant healer combos. It'll be pretty easy to take out number 4. Either Om or Rahul can take it out, even Khaleesi can come to take it out. And this is number 5. This is the base of Alexia. And one major mistake she has done is she's put her air defense outside, which is really, I mean, it's a bad decision, because air defenses really help, I mean, in case you're using balloons. So this base 2 is pretty easy, and I believe this 2 can go with the giant healer combo. And I think if Rahul or Om, any one of you have already attacked 3 and 4, you can go for 5 and 6, or Khaleesi, you too can go for 5. 6th again, Rahul, Om or Khaleesi, any one of you, depending on the amount of attacks you have remaining. And here the main problem is, I'll tell you, any person, I swear, any person can easily defeat this base easily with just balloons. I'm not lying, because if you manage to take out these 3 things, you can just pour in 2 balloons and they'll take out all the defenses, and you can just pour in all your archers and barbarians. So in that way, this base is pretty easy, because all the aerial defenses are outside, so you can take out those and then your balloons will do the job. So this is also pretty easy. According to me, this can be taken out by, let's see who we have in our clan. This can be taken out by Mehul. Mehul can take out this number 7, and number 6 Mehul. And as I was going on moving to number 7, this too can be taken out by Mehul. I don't need to say anything, because according to me, if you want an easy strategy, you can just pour in 3 balloons with our clan castle balloons will amount to 6. You can put 3 balloons here and 3 balloons there, and I think it'll be done. Nothing to worry about. And then you can drop in your barbarians and archers. Number 8 is pretty easy. That's because this also can be taken out if you don't have balloons or any wall breakers. You can just pour in 4 giants from here. I think either FKGG or Chief Akshay or Devon can do this. You can use 5 giants to take out the air defense here, and then after that you can also use another 5 giants to take out the air defense here, and then I think you can take 10 you can pour in your CC war balloons over here, and then I think it'll be pretty much done. Well, I think that won't be a good strategy. Well, the giant combo strategy will work, and this base is even more easy. I'll tell you, for the low people, I think the last person, Devon and Chief Akshay, can attack this. All you have to do is take out the archer tower here, take out balloons, drop it here. They'll pretty much clear all the defenses. Well, if he has traps set up, don't worry. I believe you can easily use giants and barbarians with archers. That'll be pretty easy. And the last base is even more easier because honestly, I'll tell you, you can take out your this archer tower with barbarians and archers. You can take out this one too with barbarians and archers. Just be careful of the mortar. So I suggest you use 4 giants here, and I think you can use another 4 giants here, and then you take out clan castle balloons, allow them to take out the defenses, then drop all your troops. And make sure you don't forget to take out the outer buildings, because it may you may miss out on a few stars. I mean, like, you may get 2 stars out of 3. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. It's a base review, and I will be uploading this to YouTube too. Please, you can subscribe to it. My channel's name is Good Morning, and I'd like to thank Shao and Shao TV for bringing this broadcast live to you on Shao TV, and I would also like to thank them for helping me upload it to YouTube. And tomorrow at Indian Standard Time 1 o'clock, we'll be streaming live again, and we'll do live raids in the war. Until then, today at around 6 o'clock on Zhao TV Live, I'll be doing a live raid. This is exclusively only for Zhao TV viewers, because I may post it on YouTube, but it's going to be first on Zhao TV. Do not miss it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.